Tiger Hill is around 20 kilometers from Darjeeling town. So going to Tiger Hill in my reserve taxi, and it will take around 40 minutes.
45.
45 minutes. So we'll be there at the nick of time. So I hope I'll be able to take some time lapse. पता नहीं. All depends on the weather. Kanchenjunga दिखेगी या नहीं. अगर there is a lot of fog, there is no hope. So let's see. Pretty bad luck. Pretty bad luck. Couldn't see a thing. I mean, very hazy. Couldn't take a clear shot. Yeah, could see the mountains, but there's a series of other mountains also. The entire range that was not visible. Too cloudy, too hazy. The sunrise was very beautiful. That's luck. Now heading back to the car and heading back to Darjeeling town. Maybe we'll stop by Batashia Loop on the way. From there also we'll see. वहाँ से भी दिखता है. Let's see if I'm lucky. We get a clear shot from Batashia Loop. From Tiger Hill, I have reached Batashia Loop. The reason it's called Batashia Loop is because the toy train tracks, if you see over here, they take a loop, a scenic loop. There's a garden in the middle, and it circumvents it, thus creating a loop. Of course, the toy train is now postponed due to the ongoing COVID situation, but when the toy train is functional, it takes a very beautiful loop around here, so that's why it's called Batashia Loop. It is a nice garden, lot of photo ops, and also it has the Gorkha War Memorial. This was erected in 1995, dedicated to the Gorkha soldiers who lost their lives in many battles. There is a roll of honor. Gorkha soldiers were martyred. Their names, their ranks, their regiments, and the year of the martyrdom. And Gorkhas have fought battles of World War I, World War II, the Battle of Gallipoli in Turkey. They fought against the British. They fought in the Indian Independence War, and the Gorkha regiment in the current Indian Army is the most important and probably the most bravest regiment of all. So, hats off to them. So you can dress into traditional Gorkha costumes and take photos, as you can see. As Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw once said, when a man says he's not afraid of death, he's either lying or he's a Gorkha. And quite rightly said. This is also one of the viewing points of Kanchenjunga. On a clear day you could see the peaks in the background, but sadly, look at the weather, it's all cloudy and foggy. So the chances of viewing Kanchenjunga goes for a toss. But nevertheless, it's a very nice place. Lot of photo ops. Let me go in and take some photos. On this side, you have the more older list of martyrs. Martyrdom 1947, 1948. So you can guess that some of these were during the independence. 1962, these were during the Sino-Indian War. 1971, Bangladesh Liberation War. So in every war, whatever war you see, India has fought. The Gorkhas played a pivotal role. The current Nepalese army, the Gorkha soldiers, they are sent to be trained by the Royal Army, and the Royal Army also has a Gorkha regiment. Yes, Nepali soldiers are trained by the British, and there is a Gorkha, I mean it's kind of a loan. Nepalese army loan certain soldiers to the British army for training and as a sign of solidarity and cooperation. Of course, the colonial eras are long bygone, so no fight of independence exists anymore, but now it's all about cooperation between two countries. The Gorkhas are an ethnic group native to Nepal. They are also found in the states of Sikkim and these parts of North Bengal. So the place where I am right now, the language, if you hear in my vlogs, people are speaking Nepali. So West Bengal has Nepali is one of its languages. In fact, India has Nepali is one of its scheduled languages. And India and Nepal share a lot of common history, a lot of common culture, and there is a lot of common heritage. So there is, as you know, there is free trade and open border agreement with India and Nepal. And so this is the larger Gorkha area. A lot of flowers, beautiful gardens. Very popular honeymoon spot actually. Well, not for us who are from West Bengal, but from other parts of India. This is a very popular honeymoon destination. After the morning sightseeing tour of Tiger Hill and Batasia Loop and Darjeeling and Ghum Station, just came back, freshened up, went for breakfast, strolled around the Mall Road, and right now it's around 4:30. And I think I told you that I'll be working from Darjeeling. So yeah, now in the age of COVID, you can literally work from anywhere. So why not from Darjeeling? So now it's kind of a workation out for me. So it's not just a vacation, also a workation. So today's a working day. But tomorrow and day after tomorrow I have taken leave. But I have to work today. So you gotta do what you gotta do. With great power comes great responsibilities, right? Throughout the day I'll be working, and you will see glimpses of me going about the normal daily course and professional responsibilities in this short time lapse. Fire.